Welcome to the Scapy to perform Layer 2 Discovery Linux Part 3. In this video, we are going to learn create an attack using Scapy. Now that you have some getting idea that Scapy to be used to manipulate any of the fields in the TCP or IP packet, we'll play with some of the other fields in a subsequent Scapy. Let's use this capability to create a malicious packet and then send it to a target system. This is a DOS attack that sends an oversized packet to the target with the same source and destination IP address and the same source and destination port. It doesn't always crash the system, but will slow it down considerably. For web servers, slowing them down is effectively a DOS. Let's create that land attack packet in Scapy. Scapy can take all of the attributes in a single command. Let's create our land attack packet and send it 2000 times. Type send IP src equals to 192.168.154.246 dst equals to 216.58.197.46 tcp s port equals to 80 d port equals to 80 count equals to 1000. Send is the command. IP defines the protocol for IP addresses. It can crash the system or at least slow it down dramatically. When a web server is slowed, it effectively DOSes the website. Scapy is yet another powerful scanning and DOSing tool in our set of tools. Scapy is incredibly versatile, enabling us to do multiple tasks with this single tool. It has almost an unlimited ability to create packets with any characteristics you can imagine and thereby create a unique scanning technique and DOS attacks. So that's it in this video on Scapy to perform layer 2 discovery, creating an attack using Scapy. Thank you for watching this video.